sitting over here trying not to shout and buck. I'm a little bit of Baptist, so I buck and shout. I'm sorry, but y'all are good. It's on fire tonight. I'm loving this. So like Miss Boomy said, we need to focus on the omnipresence on social media. Okay, you guys. So you understand the way that the seasons and the times are right now. Having online sales is kind of going to be maybe your main focus, or where it should be. I don't know about you. You might be good with hands-on sales and, being in front of people, but focusing online prospects is a way to go. So Boomy touched on it various ways. She touched on about hashtags. Make sure you're putting in the hashtag because it spreads you out. It opens you up to a bigger pool of people. So when people are looking for something, if your word is in that hashtag, it'll automatically put your post in their post. So my 10K life, if people are jogging or people are hiking and they just happen to look through and you have my 10K life and they see your results for Drink This Drink and Laura Life and all these things, it opens it up. And then you have prospects all around the world. So YouTube, speaking of prospects all around the world, having your YouTube, StreamYard, okay, you guys, Miss Boomy talks about it all the time. You got to pay for the account, okay? It's okay. You can do it. You get all the extra benefits. You get the prospects, all right? You can be all simultaneously on Facebook, on your public page, on your private page, and YouTube, and Twitter, even if you are, have access to it. You can do all of those things at the same time, okay? And so building that omnipresence is key, is important because it signifies to them, it sets in the social proof laws, it sets it saying you are a leader. This is what you want to, see people as. People want to see you as the health guru or whatever, the coach or the gym person, whatever it is. When you're constantly posting and then they look on Twitter and you're on TikTok and then you're on here, they're like, oh my God, this person's famous, and then in their minds, it just gives them, like I said, that social proof, that more credibility, that more of a resolve, like, okay, I can go with them. I can do things. I can, be more. So now, we've been Young Money Muggles since about 2017 now. So being faithful with that, now people always are asking me questions, even outside of stuff, but now opens the opportunity because it's like, all right, if you're looking for business opportunities, here's Laura Life, start with this. Start with making $100 a day. If you can do this, then we move you to investments in this, that, and the third. So this can help with your strategies, whatever ways and flows and systems that you do. It's just connecting it all. Okay. So when you have that omnipresence, it connects you. So you're on TikTok, you're on Instagram doing the reels. Then next thing you know, the reels are owned. Instagram is owned by Facebook. So your reels are not only on Instagram, but it's on Facebook as well. Okay. So I just stepped into the whole reel world. Believe it or not, I'm 27, but I have an old heart. So I was not getting on reels. Okay. But I'm going to do it now. And we're going to do some Drink the Shake videos and some dance videos and some Afro beats, just because that's what the times and the seasons are. So we must learn how to tap into certain veins. And the vein right now is social media. So create your omnipresence. Twitter, set up, you can do schedule posts. Hootsuite is a separate app where you can actually schedule posts and then you can just have them run automatically. You don't have to stress and overthink yourself. Okay, you guys? So we're here to help, like everyone said. Kim the Don in the group, you can look me up.